Okay, we ready? So this is how we do a Henry ID, the first step of trying to bring down our population size to a smaller group as we try to identify a print. So this is a formula. This is in your book. It's on the back of your 10 cards, as everyone's doing their own 10 cards. Everybody with me? Yeah. Okay. So what it is each finger has a certain value if it has a whorl. Yesterday I asked you to mark which fingers had a loop, whorl, or arch. L-A-W, loop, arch, or whorl. And then today what you're going to do is any finger that has a whorl, we're going to put it in here and put its value in and come up with a fraction. So for example, I have no whorls. If I have no whorls, I'm going to put 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 all the way across for each finger because none of my fingers have a whorl, plus 1 over 1, and my value if I have no whorls is 1 over 1. Easy done. However, they're not all going to be like that. So, let's go back a little bit and talk about what these stand for. What is RI? Right index, your pointer finger. Let me pull this up again so we can see this. So RI is right index. RT is right thumb. RR is right ring finger. RM, right middle finger. LT is left thumb. RL is right little finger. They don't use pinky, they use little finger. Oh, that's frozen again. Oh, well. We will just take it down. LM is left middle. LI is left index. What's LL? Left little. LR, left ring. So these are your fingers. They're not in any particular order, and this is their point value. So let's just assume for practice as I go, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my fingers. So I'm going to go across. My right index, there's no whorl, so I'm going to give it a 0. My right ring, oh, I have a whorl. I'm going to give it an 8. My left thumb, no whorl. My left middle, no whorl. But my left little finger has a whorl, so I'll give him a value. Do you see what I'm doing? Now I'm going to go through the bottom. My right thumb has a whorl. I'm going to give it 16. My right middle finger has no whorl. My right little finger has no whorl. My left index has no whorl. But my left, oh, and no whorl. So those are I had 3 whorls on all my fingers. Now I add it up. 8 plus 1. Don't forget about this one. Everybody forgets about adding that's the biggest mistake on the test, is forgetting that last piece. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 16 plus 1 is 17. Even if this were 16, I notice 1 over 1, I didn't reduce it to 1. You leave it as whatever fraction you get. So my Henry ID with these 3 whorls would be 10 over 17. And so that's what I'm looking for you guys to put onto the chart, is to calculate your Henry ID, put your initials, and then put your fraction that comes up when you do this. Okay? I will come around and help you guys as you do this.